about how to use Nero. Now this is to convert audio CDs to audio files. So for instance, if you pop in a CD, let's hit this button here. If you pop in a CD and it has a length listed, so there is a CD in there, it tells you what it is, the mode that it is, and you want to copy this CD into a file, then what you're going to do is you're going to select the file. In this case we select this one, and you're going to want to go down to your select your volume if you think it's a little bit too high or low, and then you want to go down to your path, and this is where you're going to save it at on your computer. And then you can figure out, do I want a user defined saving where you actually name it, or just use it manual and it'll just name it whatever it wants. Hit OK, and then you hit your options button, hit your speed. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the maximum speed here, and again here, this is going to save your audio tracks from your CDs into specific audio files, so you can save them into WAV files, into MP3s, or whatever you specifically want.